Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Yoga and what's inside of it. The bottom panel of this device is held in place by 8 captive Phillips head screws. After you undo them, remove the stylus from its tray and pry the panel with a plastic tool. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Inside, we see a traditional cooling setup that includes a single heat pipe, a heat sink, and a medium-sized fan. Sadly, there is no option for memory upgrades, as all of the memory chips are soldered to the motherboard. That said, this model can be configured with 8 or 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, working at 2666 MHz. At least, there is the relief you can put a larger or faster SSD in the form of an M.2 PCIe X4 drive. As far as the battery capacity goes, Lenovo has put a 51 watt-hours unit inside of the ThinkPad X13 Yoga. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.